This is one of those great everyday products that you don't realize you need until you get a good one. So I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. This is the GreatBuddy 25-foot garden hose, and right away I'm showing you up close so you can really see the quality. The one thing that stands out immediately is how durable this hose feels without being super heavy or hard to work with it. I'm also showing you close-ups of the brass fittings because that's a big detail for me. They feel extremely solid, and I like that it has the very nice heavy brass male to female fittings because those tend to hold up well over time and give you a more secure, leak-resistant connection. It just feels a lot more reliable than those cheaper hoses where the ends feel flimsy. The hose itself also feels heavy duty, which is great if you want something that can handle regular use for watering plants, rinsing things off outside, or just general backyard use. Overall, this feels like a really solid hose to keep on hand for everyday use. If you're looking for a durable, flexible garden hose with quality brass fittings, this is one to check out.